Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Scorpio. So if you are a sun, moon, rising, or if your Venus is sitting in the sign of Scorpio, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands talks about, finally getting that spark. So if you are in a relationship, there is a possibility a lot of sexual activities are going to happen in the next couple of weeks or in the month of April. So I see that spark. This is all about passion, it's about that fiery outburst that is going to happen in your relationship. For all the singles, this means that there is a potential that you might be bumping into a person who is either a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or has a very strong fire sign in their charts. Now, one thing that you guys should remember is when the Ace of Wands shows up, Ace of Wands expresses passion. So, there could be a lot of sex, there could be a lot of, physical attraction towards one another. What it doesn't tell you is that whether, this relationship is going to last long or not. But because it is very passionate, you feel the pull. So, the magnetic pull is there. The next card that I have for you guys is the Seven of Cups. So Seven of Cups tells me that, despite feeling this attraction, you guys are going to have a lot of options. So you are going to feel this pull. You will finally feel the need that, you are missing somebody in your life, or you are missing that spark, that passion in your life. And you will have a lot of things. So maybe so far, you have been making all these um, plans in your head and none of them have come true. But especially in the month of April, I do see, you finally taking some action towards these plans, or finally, deciding that this is what you want and this is how you want things to go. Because when Seven of Cups shows up, cups is, your emotions are flowing like all over the place. You want so many things in life, but you're not being realistic about them. So you're finally going to take action towards that one thing. I do see you taking action towards one thing in your personal life or in your love life. So if you have a number of guys available who are, dying to be with you, you are finally going to take some action. You're going to pick one and you're going to, finally have that night, or have that case, or finally have that connection with one. Now at the bottom of the deck, the card I have for you is the Nine of Swords. So Nine of Swords, the overall energy tells me that there has been a lot of stress. It is something that you have been trying to work on, but the thought of it actually gives you anxiety. So the feeling I'm getting is, for some of you, you have been single for a really long time, but you miss that physical connection, you miss that spark, you miss that dynamics in the relationship. You want to go ahead, but at the same time this entire thing is giving you, some kind of stress. And you're like, oh my god, oh my god. So that's basically, the mantra that's going on and on and on in your head, that you're unsure. Oh my god, will I be able to do this? Can I do it? Let's see, what else the tarot wants to tell us. The next card that I have for you guys is the Ten of Pentacles. So Ten of Pentacles coming here tells me that you guys actually want to settle down. Now, not all of you, this is not applicable for all of you. For the other half, it shows that, you finally want to be in a place where you are stable. It could be financially stable, or it could be, relation wise, you want to be stable. And you are going to make sure that you take the adequate steps to move towards it, like you want it, and you're going to work for it. And hopefully, in a couple of years, so in terms of the timeline, what I'm looking at is um 6 months, at least 6 months, 6 months to 6 years, things should be, in a better place for you. So for a lot of people, take it how it resonates, depending on your age as well. So if you're pretty young, then it could take you at least 6 years to finally, come to a point in life where you are more settled, you feel more settled, you feel that, this is what I've wanted. And for all the, people who are uh, also country wise is important, because I have my viewers from all over the world. So yeah. And at the bottom of the deck, the card I have for you is the Eight of Wands. So Eight of Wands tells me that, if you take the initiative, things are going to come very quickly to you. I do see, for a lot of you, you might be dealing with somebody, who lives in a different part of the country. So distance could be important for you guys. And a lot of you might be, communicating with each other via electronics. So through social media, or through Skype, or through WhatsApp, or through Telegram, or all the other apps that are there, because that seems very prominent here. The distance between you and your person, it seems very prominent. And it also seems like your person could be from a different country, could be a different nationality, or could be living in a different place. The next card I have for you is the Sun. See, you have a bright future. When it comes to your love life, you guys have an amazing, things. Now, you're going to start. Now, I'm going to tell you a story. Let me finish pulling two more cards for you, and then I'll tell you a story of what I'm seeing and how is it going to play out. If it happens, I would love to know. The next card that I have for you guys is the Lover's card. All right. And the bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Swords. All right. Now, singles, you are going to go for a trip. It could be a short-term trip. It could be, a short distance trip or a long distance trip, and you are going to bump into someone who is going to be of a different nationality, or different skin color, different race, or from a different state, different religion. Take it what it is. There is also a possibility for the singles of the same category that you have a choice of people, and you are finally going to make a decision. You're going to make a choice out of those people, and then you're going to drag that person with you for a vacation. And for a lot of liberal people, I'm saying this because in some cultures it's not considered nice. So a lot of you are going to hook up, and you're going to finally sleep together with your person. So that is going to happen. The thing is, overall your cards seem very positive. I don't see anything negative going on. But despite all this going on, for the people who are in a situationship, something similar is going to happen. You guys are finally going to initiate uh, either a conversation, or you're going to initiate a trip or time together, so you can figure out your problem, so you can connect again. If you have kids, for some of you, I do see that you have a kid with this person, and you have some kind of, either there's a communication gap, or there's a gap because of the distance, because you're living in different places. So that also seems like a possibility that I do see. There's going to be some kind of initiation. So one of you is going to initiate, and one of you, the other person, you're going to make it work. So the point here is you're going to make it work, because you're taking initiative, and initiative is how you make things work. All right. So other than this, now let's come to these cards at the bottom. Now what these cards are telling us, these cards are telling us the overall energy. You are very stressed about the situation, but also at the same time you want things to go smoothly, you want things to go away quickly. The thing is, this overall energy of the cards, instead of going up, up and up, so usually in tarot we hope that you go from number 0 to number 9, but here you're going from 9, 8 and 7. That means something is happening and you are coming back. And there are two swords, which is all about communication. It's all about things that go on in your head. So you are not sure whether this person is reliable or not. You're not sure whether this person is ditching you or not, because there is some kind of manipulation that you think is going to happen in this relationship, and that is something that is eating you raw, but at the same time you want things to move. So now you see the confusion. The confusion is because you want things to move on, but you're afraid of the manipulation. So you're afraid that you're going to get stabbed in the back. See, that is what is going on here. But let's see, from the oracle, what love messages are we getting for you. All right. So the first card that I have for you guys is let go of control issues. All right, that makes sense. How does it make sense? Well, when you get stressed, when you have anxiety, when you stay up all night thinking about, that means you have a lot of issues. So allow this situation to unfold naturally. See what I told you? You're stressed, you want communication, but you're afraid of getting stabbed in the back. So this coming here is telling you, let go of it. Just let go of the situation. Let things move the way they are supposed to move. Now, The next card that I have for you is engagement. See, I told you, for a lot of you, finally you're going to be taking some kind of step. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Why? Because when this card shows up, somebody wants to end up with you. This card, somebody is going to take the initiative. The sun card, well, they want a kid with you, and you feel like, you are the sun of their life. That means you bring light to them. And then you have the lovers card, which means the ultimate ending is there. But for the singles, I would actually tell you to be careful if you don't want to get into a serious relationship. But this idea of yours that, some kind of manipulation is going on, that how can this amazing person decide to be with you, you have to let it go, because you're amazing and you're basically this bright shiny light. So all my ladies out there, and also all the men who are watching this, your person is absolutely nuts about you. This is what I'm going to say. Just because you have a little bit of anxieties and you have your own fears holding you back, make sure it doesn't affect your relationship a lot. Let me know if this reading resonates, and I will see you guys next time.